2, everybody. Go watch part 1 if you haven't seen the video. Good times. Mario, Peach, Toad, Bowser, the Kooplings. The Mario season is over. I want to battle more creatures with Mario, Peach, and Toad to defeat Bowser again. But sadly, Nintendo's not making new games. Just making 3D All-Stars. And Luigi's Mansion was made last year. RIP Luigi games. Just the last game probably was made last year. Super Luigi Luigi's Mansion 3. Yeah. Good times, man. I wish one day my dream came true. One day it was at least 24 hours. I was one of the best players. But it's just Mario. Mario. Not me. Why not me? I want to be a gaming star. People play as me that much. And so is Mario. I don't like it. I don't want to do this anymore. But I'm not going to give up like that. No tears, no sweats. Luigi's channel and my other channel where we make gaming videos with my brother, Mario, Luigi, whatever. But this is a Super Mario channel, so check it out. See you guys later. The end of the video, short clip of me